Max, I was about to beat his ass thinking he was cheating on me.
Meow. Wait, did you?
Not when I realized that she was his sister. I was like,
woof!
Exactly. Woof! How am I supposed to deal with that?
Well, let's be honest, that's a really tough situation to be in. I mean, if I had like half the self-restraint that you did, I'd be like...
It's not like I could be very about it. I would have to think everything through. But maybe I'm just crazy.
You're not crazy. You're just in love. You cannot let this man go.
But what if he wants to go? If they love you, they'll come back, right?
Chris, you cannot do this. You are smart and you are funny and you are... and sexy. There is no reason at all why you should be about this. You cannot let this man go. No, Fido, I meant.
No. Fido makes a good point. He means to say, oh, oh,
He can dish it, but he can't take it.